Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I think that you are well and enjoying watching my videos at home. Today I have come back with a new educational video that is from subject science. This is my first video on the science. I hope that you will enjoy this video. So friends, are you ready to learn this? So let's start. Good morning students. Good morning sir. Today I am going to teach you a lesson of science that is human body, food we eat. So students, let's take a short recap about food. Okay sir. All living things need food. Food gives us strength to work and play. It also helps us to grow and remain healthy and strong. Plants and animals are the two main sources of food. We get vegetables, cereals, pulses, fruits, and oil from plants. We get meat, fish, milk, and eggs from animals. We should eat these foods in right amounts to stay healthy. In this class you will learn about 1. What does food contain? 2. Components of food. 3. Balanced diet. 4. Avoid wastage of food. So students, are you ready to learn this? Yes sir. So let's start. What does food contain? Living things need food to stay alive. Food helps us to grow and remain healthy by protecting us against diseases. Food gives us energy to work, play, and do other activities. It is also needed for the repair of different parts of our body. The food we eat contains substances that make us strong and healthy. These substances are called nutrients. Nutrients have the following functions in our body. They give us energy to do work. They are required for the proper growth of our body. They help to repair our body and protect us from falling sick. So students, tell me, what are nutrients? Nutrients are the substances present in different food items that are needed for good health and proper growth of the body. Nice. Next, components of food. Different food items are rich in different nutrients. There are 5 main nutrients found in our food: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Our body also needs a good amount of raw food and water. So students, we have learned the names of 5 main nutrients found in our food. Now you will learn it in details. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy to our body. Hence, food items rich in carbohydrates are called energy-giving foods. Carbohydrates are needed by us in large quantities. The 2 main types of carbohydrates are sugar and starch. Fruits such as bananas and apples are good sources of sugar. Potatoes and cereals, such as rice, wheat, and maize, are good sources of starch. So students, anyone can tell me about carbohydrate in short? Carbohydrates are energy-giving foods. Rice, bread, potatoes, etc. contain carbohydrates. Nice. Proteins. Proteins are the nutrients that help in the growth and repair of our body. They also help in building our muscles. Foods that are rich sources of proteins are also called bodybuilding foods. Young children should include more protein-rich foods in their diet, because their bodies are still growing. Milk and milk products, such as cheese and paneer, pulses, soybean, meat, fish, and eggs are rich sources of proteins. So Philip, tell about proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of our body. They repair old, worn-out cells and help us to grow. Meat, fish, eggs, pulses, and nuts contain proteins. Very good. Fats. Fats are the nutrients that provide more energy to our body than carbohydrates. They help to keep our body warm. Foods that are rich sources of fats are also called energy-giving foods. Oil and nuts are examples of fat-rich foods. Ghee and butter, milk products, are also fat-rich foods. Only a little amount of fat is needed by our body. Excess fat consumed by us is stored in our body for future use. Too much intake of fat can make us obese, fat, or overweight. Philip, tell all students about fats. Fats are high energy-giving nutrients. Butter, ghee, cheese, and oil are rich in fats. Extra fat from the food we eat is stored in the body. Much starvation can lead to obesity. Very good, Philip. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are the nutrients that protect our body from diseases and keep us fit and healthy. These nutrients are required in small amounts. Foods that are rich sources of vitamins and minerals are also called protective foods. A, B, C, D, E, and K are the types of vitamins found in our diet. Calcium, potassium, iodine, and iron are some minerals. Different vitamins have different roles to play within the body. Green vegetables, eggs, and dairy products are rich in vitamin A, which improves eyesight and maintains healthy skin. Milk, fish, and eggs are rich in vitamin D, which is important for healthy bones and teeth. Calcium and iron are examples of minerals needed by our body. Calcium is needed for the formation of bones and teeth. Milk, curd, and cheese are rich sources of calcium. Iron is needed for the formation of blood. Green leafy vegetables, such as spinach, apples, and carrots are rich sources of iron. Other important minerals required by our body are iodine, potassium, and sodium. Anyone can tell me about what are vitamins and minerals?
Yes, sir. Vitamins and minerals are necessary for us to be healthy. They help us fight diseases. Vitamins A, B, C, and D are some of the important vitamins. Calcium, iodine, and iron are some of the important minerals. Vitamins and minerals are found in vegetables, fruits, milk, eggs, meat, fish, and many other foods.
Nice. You are intelligent. So students, these were the 5 nutrients found in food. Move to next. Roughage and water. Roughage. Besides these nutrients, we should also eat food that contains sufficient amount of fiber or roughage.
Sir, what is roughage?
Some parts of the food that we eat do not get digested completely. The part of the food that cannot be digested by our body is called roughage. It is important for us as it adds bulk to our food and allows waste materials to pass out of our body. Fiber is needed to prevent constipation. We get fiber when we eat salads, fruits, vegetables, and food made from whole grains. Water. Apart from nutrients, our body also needs water to carry out its various functions. When our body needs water, it makes us feel thirsty. We must drink enough water every day. Water is an essential part of our diet. It is important for digestion and is an essential part of the blood and other body fluids. We must drink plenty of water every day. We should also make sure that the water we drink is clean. Otherwise, we may fall ill. So students, is there anyone to tell about roughage and water?
Yes, sir. I am here to tell about roughage and water.
Okay, then tell about it.
Roughage is the part of food that cannot be digested and help us to remove waste materials from our body. The sources of roughage are cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Water carries nutrients from the food to different parts of our body, helps in digestion, and is an essential part of the blood and other body fluids.
Yes, you are correct. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients in the right amounts, along with roughage and water. It is essential to eat a balanced diet for proper growth and development of our body. Its importance. No food has all the nutrients the body needs. Some nutrients provide us with the energy to do work, while some help us grow. There are other nutrients that keep us disease-free. If we eat only one kind of food, we will get only the nutrients that are present in that food. Since our body needs all kinds of nutrients, we need to eat a balanced diet. So, Lucy, tell me about balanced diet.
A balanced diet contains all nutrients in right amount, along with roughage and water.
Nice. Avoid wastage of food. Food is necessary for our survival. We should not waste food. By avoiding wastage of food, we can feed a lot of hungry people. We should take the following steps to avoid wastage of food. 1. Take small servings of food during meals so that you can finish everything on the plate. 2. You should share food with friends to avoid leftover food. 3. Avoid cooking a large quantity of food to avoid wastage. 4. Cooked food should always be covered with a lid. 5. Store cooked food in the refrigerator to avoid spoilage. 6. Raw vegetables and fruits should preferably be kept in the refrigerator, especially during summer, to avoid getting spoiled. 7. Avoid exposure of cut fruits and vegetables to air for a long time. 8. Parents should teach children not to waste food.
Okay, sir. I will follow these steps to avoid wastage of food.
Nice. Food gets spoiled when it is not stored properly. This also leads to wastage of food. Eating food that is spoiled is unhealthy and can make us sick. Hence, food should be prevented from getting spoiled. Some methods of preserving food are given below. Pickling. In this method, fruits and vegetables are mixed with salt and oil. An example is the pickling of mango and garlic. Drying. In this method, water is removed from the food. The food is then kept in an airtight container. An example is the drying of chilies in the sun. Canning and bottling. In this method, food is stored in tin cans and glass bottles. Examples are the canning of fish and bottling of jams. Refrigeration. In this method, food is kept inside the refrigerator at a low temperature. An example is the storing of fruits and vegetables in the refrigerator. Deep freezing. In this method, food is kept inside the freezer at a very low temperature. An example is the storing of seafood and meat in the freezer. Lucy, tell me, what are the following methods to store the food properly?
We should also take care to store the food properly. This can be done through some methods of preservation of food, which are pickling, drying, canning and bottling, refrigerating, and deep freezing.
Nice. You are very intelligent. So students, this was today's lesson. Have you understood the lesson properly?
Yes, sir.
Goodbye, students.
Goodbye, sir.
So friends, today I am ending my video here. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then give a like, comment, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instant notification when new videos are uploaded. Goodbye friends. Stay well and stay healthy. Stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day. See you again. Thanks for watching the video.
With